Disney World is often described as the happiest place on Earth, but even this magical destination has seen its fair share of dark and disturbing moments. Here are 10 unsettling times Disney World wasn't quite so magical. The death on Big Thunder Mountain Railroad, 2003. A derailment on the Big Thunder Mountain Railroad in Disneyland, California, though relevant to Disney Park's reputation, tragically killed a 22-year-old man and injured several others. The accident raised safety concerns across Disney parks worldwide. The Alligator Attack, 2016. A horrifying incident occurred at Disney's Grand Floridian Resort when a 2-year-old boy was pulled into the Seven Seas Lagoon by an alligator. Despite rescue efforts, the boy's body was recovered the following day. Disney implemented stronger safety measures after the tragedy. Haunted Mansion Death, 1974. A tragic incident happened when a park employee was crushed to death while working on the Haunted Mansion ride. Urban legends have since surrounded the attraction, adding a chilling mystique to the already spooky ride. Monorail Collision, 2009. A monorail crash at Disney World killed a 21-year-old operator and injured another. This rare tragedy led to stricter safety protocols for Disney's iconic transportation system. Epcot's Illuminations firework mishap, 2018. During a nighttime fireworks show, a malfunction caused debris to fall into a crowd. Several guests suffered minor injuries, though the event could have been far worse. 6. Discovery Island Abandonment, 1999. Discovery Island, once a zoological park, was abruptly shut down and left abandoned. Reports of unsafe animal handling and other violations have shrouded the island in mystery and rumors. Tower of Terror. Lightning Strike, 1998. A freak lightning storm struck the Tower of Terror, causing power surges and temporary ride malfunctions. While no one was injured, the incident gave the haunted ride an eerie dose of reality. Employee Stabbing Incident, 2019. A violent altercation occurred in the Epcot parking lot when an off-duty employee attacked a co-worker. The victim survived, but the incident shocked the Disney community. Hurricane Irma's Impact, 2017. When Hurricane Irma hit Florida, Disney World had to shut down for just the 6th time in its history. The park sustained damages, and eerie photos of the empty Magic Kingdom during the storm circulated online. 10. It's a Small World Fire, 2004. A fire broke out in the It's a Small World ride due to an electrical issue. Though no guests were injured, the thought of being trapped in such a confined, eerie space is unsettling. These incidents highlight that even the happiest place on Earth isn't immune to tragedy and unsettling moments.